examine several programs for various research sites or multiple programs within the single site. So, multiple case study is ma-kuha siya kanang dili na siya mag-focus sa isa ka sa case ba mag-ita siya like case para mag-kuha siya mag-buhat case din iyang i-compare ang kuhaan ang mga case study kasi mag-kuhaan siya mag-kuhaan ng mga kuhaan mga more mag-kuhaan siya more ng mga kuhaan site. Number 2, phenomenology. Phenomenology is a process of describing the participants' current experiences and phenomenon. Phenomenology describes the meaning of different individuals of their life experiences of a concept or phenomenon. Ang phenomenology is the focus on understanding and describing the experiences ng mga tao dito sa tanawang perspective. Instead of just observing behavior or knowledge of mga facts, phenomenology seeks to uncover the essence and meaning of experiences as they are perceived by individuals. Number 3, ethnography. Is a flexible research method that is able to gain an in-depth understanding of a group, third group to evaluate the social dynamics. So, sa point na rin lang, wala kayo ang atong ethnography because Number 4, grounding theory is an inductive approach where researchers collect and analyze data and through interviews, observations, or documents and allow others facts and concepts emerge naturally. So, grounding theory is something to do with research. Providing a specific hindi makita sa hypothesis instead ng buong pagbibigan sa mga nakalang ng mga kuan na data. Number 5, narrative inquiry. Narrative inquiry studies how individuals construct and communicate their experiences through stories. It involves journals, letters, and personal narratives to collect data. Number 8, methods of data collection and qualitative research. There are 3. Number 1 is qualitative interview. The research method that involves gathering unique information from participants to obtain and research. So, why siya mag-interview ka sa isang kapuan din, makakuha ng mas makakuha ang mga in-depth na information kung mag-interview ka sa lahat. Focus group discussion. Focus group discussion is a method where a small group of people, for example, 6 or 12 participants na magtapo para mag-discuss sa specific topic, issue, or product, or idea. Then during sa discussion, ang moderator ang guide. Then siya po ang i-guide ng mga participants to share their opinions, experiences, and perspectives. Then there